Top Safety Pick Plus. This Lincoln MKX boasts a twin-turbo premium unleaded V6 2.7 liters/164 engine powering this automatic transmission. Wheels, 20 premium painted W/20 spokes, voice-activated dual-zone front automatic air conditioning with steering wheel controls, trunk/hatch auto-latch. This Lincoln MKX comes equipped with these options: trip computer, transmission, 6-speed SelectShift Automatic incorporated, sport mode, tires, 20 incorporated, 17 spare, tailgate/rear door lock included with power door locks, systems monitor, Sync 3 incorporated, 8-center LCD touchscreen with swiping and pinch to zoom capabilities, AppLink, 911 Assist, 2 smart charging USB ports, and enhanced voice recognition communications and entertainment system, Sync 3 911 Assist Emergency Sos, Strut Front Suspension with Coil Springs, steel spare wheel, speed-sensitive rain-detecting variable intermittent wipers. The votes are counted as Top Safety Pick Plus, KBB.com Best Buy Awards finalist. Stop by today. Come in for a quick visit at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 to claim your Lincoln MKX.